Hi everybody, welcome to today's live session. I am Abhay Chudasma from iView Labs Private Limited. I am Business Development Executive at iView Labs. So let me just give you a quick introduction about iView Labs. iView Labs Private Limited is a firm based in India. We develops custom softwares, and also we are the agency who develops low code no code website. So, for developing low code no code platform to develop website, we are using WIX Studios. So let me just give you a quick overview what actually the WIX is. So WIX is a low code no code development platform where anybody can develop a website with the help of zero coding knowledge. But it's just not it. So the reason behind choosing Wix Studios to develop our low code no code website is just because Wix is providing design freedom. It has responsive capabilities as well as the workflow of Wix is really very good. So many startup and many businesses are preferring to develop their digital presence with the help of low code no code website. The reason behind choosing low code no code platform to develop their website is just simple. Is because they are very user friendly. It provides much speed better than the custom softwares as well as it's very cost efficient. So before some time when we just started developing low code no code website, we were using a Wix editor to develop our websites. But presently we shifted from developing our website in Wix to Wix editor, from Wix editor to Wix Studios. So because Wix Studios is providing many advanced feature to develop our website, whether it is animation, customization of some functionalities, many more things. So this is the main reason why we shifted from Wix editor to Wix Studios. Nowadays, Wix Studio is the first choice for many business owners. And one more thing, the agenda of today's session is going to be manage your Wix website, the best practices to manage your Wix website. So this is the topic which we are going to conduct today. So there was too many questions to choose to choose a topic what we should choose for our live session. But we came across some problems of many clients that they are facing some problems regarding managing this Wix website. So just we thought that let's just take a session for managing the Wix website. So today's agenda is simple. We are going to tell you how you can manage your Wix website. Best practices we are going to tell you. Our expert is also there who are going to give you some tips how you can manage it and many more. Managing Wix website is the in a right way is the best performance which you could get from it by managing it in a right way. And of course the user experience and user uh, experience as well as user interface is going to be get great. Nowadays I already told you that Wix is going to be the first choice for everybody to develop their low code no code platform websites. So this was this short introduction about Weeks, about myself as well as the company iView Labs. So let's just not waste our time and let's welcome our Weeks expert. She is from our house only. She has developed many websites in Wix. She's very experienced in developing website as well as she has she has very good experience in SEO. So let's welcome Kavita Sakaria with us.
Hello everyone. Thank you, Abhay. I'm Kavita Sakaria, a software engineer at iView Labs. Along with that, I also have very good knowledge about SEO. And today, I'm really excited to walk you through some of the best practices for managing your Big Studio site.
First of all, welcome Kavita. So I know you are working in Wix from a long time and you have a good experience in Wix Studios. So just start our session with giving some introduction about weeks as well as your experience was with weeks. So you what you do learn and why you prefer week studios instead of using many more weeks sorry many more low code no code platform. Instead of using that, why you are using weeks.
Okay, so I have choose Big Studio because I tried a different platforms over the years. But I honestly love working with Big Studio. It's give me best of the both worlds. I can design beautiful websites just the way I want, and I can customize it using Velo. So it's best, you know. I can do it
Yes.
all it in a one place. So in added to that, I would like to share some key features. So how you can you can introduce to Big Studio. Let me take you to the slide first.
Hmm.
So our first point is advanced responsive design. So Wix provide you auto scaling layout. So you just need to adjust according to tablet and a mobile, and that's it. You are done. So for this, I want to share my screen and show how it's actually work.
Yes, please, Kavita.
Just give me a second.
Yes. So while she is sharing her screen, if you guys, anybody have any questions regarding Wix and all those things, please share us your questions in the comment section. The stage is yours, Kavita,
Okay,
now.
so as you can see, yeah, as you can see, I have just added a one blank page. So in that, I am just going to add one layout. Before that, I just want to give you some information about developers' point of view. You all know about HTML and CSS. So the HTML
Yes.
and CSS part are generally done by drag and drop. And also you can customize CSS according to your need. And the JavaScript part is done by Velo. You know, Velo is a core part of a WIX Studio. And now the best thing is Velo is now migrating to Wix.js STK. Means you don't have to learn any new language. Just you just have to apply your JavaScript logic and you are done with your functionality. So yeah, back to the point. I am just going to add a grid.
So, small questions to you, Kavita. That it's so easy to handle Wix Studios website, just taking something compound from this and dropping to the canvas. It is so easy.
Yeah, it is very easy, and also you can customize it. I'm just going to add one paragraph so we can see the responsiveness also.
Yes.
Yeah, we are almost done with the desktop layout. So yeah, it's perfect for desktop. And if you switch to the tablet, it's quite perfect. You don't have to adjust more. But if you go to the mobile, it's just a mess. So we just have to switch between columns to row. That's it. Yeah, so we are done with our responsiveness. Our moving forward to the next point, custom animations. Wix provide you animation in the right in the editor. In just inspect, you just have to select whatever animation you want to add onto your site and you are good with the animations. And also you can customize your animations. Okay. So the third point is AI. WIX Studio also have AI for the responsiveness. Let me show you how it works. For that, I'm just going to drag one stack and I'm going to enable the responsive AI. Click on generate now. And in a few seconds or a minute, our responsiveness is done.
So, a quick questions for you, Kavita. Uh, do you think just clicking on a AI button will just set all this responsiveness of your design layout?
Yeah. See, AI helps a lot, but you have to cross verify the layout on a mobile itself because some are the contents that are not perfectly responsive. So you have to adjust accordingly.
I see, I see. So, how much time will it take to give the final output for the design?
It's maximum like seconds, few seconds to a minute. It's done.
Hmm, 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 hmm. So, a quick information for you all guys: if you find anything questionable, if you want to get answer from our Wix expert or from our team in our house, you can just simply drop your message to the comment section so that we could answer it out. I think we are almost there at the end of
Yeah.
our result, right, Kavita?
Yes.
So AI is just awesome, we have to just click on a button and it will just give us the result. And in a few seconds, you will get your output without, giving any effort. So it's just help a lot in our daily routine
Yeah.
work. See, it's came.
See, it's done.
Okay.
Apply design. And yeah, done. AI will also add padding and a margin according to your content. So this is the good thing. You should use this. And the fourth point is Velo by Wix. As I said, Velo is a core part of a Wix Studio. So you just have to come here and just start coding. Add whatever code you want to add and just done with your functionality. This is the key features that you should use.
All right, Kavita, thank you for all this information. So, I just have one thing in my mind that whenever I am just dealing with some of the client who came for their requirement and they want their website, they usually ask for SEO perspective. There are something in their mind that let's just give some information about SEO, how it works, and they have some frequent questions on SEO. So, can you just share something on SEO?
Yeah, sure. For my words, for a like simpler term, SEO means making your website easy for Google to find your content or many other search engines. So let's break it into a two part. First part will be optimizing performance and second part will be SEO setups. Let's start with performance first. So for the optimizing performance, I would like to take you back to the slide. Let's give you second. Okay. So our first point is compress your image. So the larger the one main thing is your website slow down is your larger files. So before uploading your image, make sure you compress it. So that's how you can make your website faster.
Kavita, whenever something comes for image in visual context, usually audience prefer to show something. So could you just share your screen and can you just show something to our audience in visual
Yeah,
representation where.
yeah, sure. Let me take you back to the editor. Okay. So from here, click on media, upload a image or a videos you want to add on your website. Wait for a few seconds and Wix will compress it for you. You don't compress externally. Wix will done by itself.
So, questions for you, Kavita. Wix is so many. It's like it's a very good, powerful platform for developing low code, no code websites.
Yeah, it is very powerful. So yeah, our image is upload and we can use wherever you want. Okay, so moving forward to the another part, don't use too many animations. Like yeah, animation is looking good or it's give you more functionality to your website. But too many animation cause your website slow down. So make sure you use animation as per your need. Don't overuse them. So yeah, this was the second part. Our third point is turn on lazy load. So what this means? This means image and videos load only when someone scroll down. So the page loads faster at a start. Our fourth and last point is simplify layout structure. Make it clean and simple. Don't overstacking too many nested containers. Instead of that, just use grid and flags so that your layout will be structured and clean to manage. So this was some few points about optimizing your performance.
All right, Kavita. So, do you think, Kavita, we have some more information about SEO and all those things to share our audience?
Yeah. So for the SEO part, I would like to again share my slide. Okay. So our first point is add a meta title and a description. So every page should have a unique title and description that clearly explains what the page is about. This is what show up in a Google search results. Let me take you the editor and show you how it works and how you can use it. Okay. So from the page, click on three dots, SEO basics. So yeah, here are the title tag and description. You just need to add your meta title and description about the page. Let's say our page is about service, so we just need to write as a service. And we are good with the title tag. And for the meta description, you need to provide the information what is your service about, and you are done with that also. Moving forward to another point is use URL slug. Like Wix by default provide a blank slug. So don't use them. You have to customize URL for each and every page. Let's say this page is about service. So you just need to add as a service page. So yeah, we are good with the URL part also. The third point is use SEO setup checklist for your site. Wix SEO setup checklist is an amazing tool. So use it for the SEO perspective.
Kavita, just I would like to interrupt you one for 1 second. When was just talking with customer client, and he have some questions about SEO checklist. He was aware about all those things, SEO and all these things, and he have some question about SEO checklist, setup checklist. So could you just share more information about SEO setup checklist?
Yeah, let me show you how you can see. From the left corner, go to the dashboard.
Once again, a message to all those person who are viewing live or they are just viewing
Click on
on
Site and
LinkedIn.
Mobile app, Website SEO, SEO Gen AI.
Yes, Kavita, sorry to interrupt you. Please continue.
Yeah. So yeah, you can see our SEO setup checklist is 36% complete. We have to just need complete 100% you are done with the SEO setup checklist. Basically, SEO setup checklist give you the point by point. You just need to complete all these points and you are done with the SEO setup checklist. Okay. So now I would like to mention another point. So implement structured data using built-in tools. Structured data helps Google to understand your website content better. So you can add this directly in a WIX Studio, and yeah, if you are comfortable with code, Velo gives you even more flexibility to customize your structured data. So these are some points that SEO for the SEO best practice you need to take care of.
Thank you so much, Kavita, for sharing all those information in so brief so that our viewers can understand it in the right way. So, Kavita, whenever there is something where we have to take care of, usually people make mistakes. So, I just would like to know from your end what is your vision on common mistakes which generally the person who is managing the website are making. So please share some tips for tips to manage all those mistakes and how to manage it.
Okay. So now let me walk you through some common mistakes. So from my perspective, there are 2 to 3 points that we should care of. Like the first point is ignoring mobile optimization. As I said, many website looks great on a desktop but breaks on the mobile. So you need to review and restructure the layout on a mobile device also. So you have to review the mobile version separately. Our second point is uploading oversized media files. Never upload raw images directly from your computer. So you just always compress them first. So that's how you can faster your website. Our third point is skipping redirects after changing URLs. If you are change page URL and don't set up redirects, then your user will redirects to the error page and you don't want that, right? So you just have to set redirects after changing URL.
Sorry, Kavita, to interrupt you for 1 second, but I just would like to remember you one of our point where I were just coming to. We were just working in a same project, and the customer, just changed all their URL redirects, and the traffic of their website suddenly drops over the night. If you remember then.
Oh yeah, and it was such a easy fix. Let me show you how you can set your URL redirects. Let me show you to the screen. Okay. So from the SEO, scroll down here, URL redirects manager. You just need to add your old URL and your new URL. That's it. Yeah, that's it for the redirects. And our fourth point is not using built-in SEO and analytics tools. Wix give you powerful tools right in the dashboard. Use them, track your traffic, bounce rates, and search performance.
All right, Kavita. Okay. So I just saw that you share many more information about common mistakes usually people make while managing the Wix website on the basis of SEO. You share something to our audience. So could you just, if you could share something in a summarized way, then it would be a great for our viewers to get in a short term.
Okay, so I will give you a quick checklist for everyone who is watching. The first point is compress your media file, clean up your metadata and keep it on the point. Don't overwrite them. The third thing is test your site on a mobile and run an SEO audit regularly. These are some points that you have to take care. That's it. You are done with managing your Wix website.
All right, Kavita. All right. Thank you for all those information which you shared to our audience, and it was a great session talking to you. So now, right now, we are at the end of the session. I hope you like our today's live session. I hope that the agenda behind taking this session was successful. So if you want guys to make your website and prepare your website with expert like Kavita, please do follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn. We are available at every channel. If you guys have any questions, my contact details and our contact details are at your computer screen. So you could mention all those things over there. Also, if you would like to make your website, just give us a call on this number which is mentioned in your screen. Here is our email address also. You just guys can mention or ping me over there. And yes, that's it for today. Thank you guys. Hope you are well, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye,
Thank you,
guys.
everyone. Thank you, Abhay, for having me today.
Thank you, Kavita.